Good morning, everybody. Good morning, people. Bit of a cloudy day today, but I should be able to get these hinges sorted. I'm going to try the idea that James and one other YouTuber gave me, which is to weld a nut onto the broken bolts, screw things. I'll show you. So these two still need to come out. So instead of welding in like a screw tip, I'm going to flatten these down and weld a nut over the top. Well, when I say over the top, I'm going to weld in through the middle of the nut onto that screw, and then that will attach itself to the nut, and then surely I should be able to turn the nut round and get these out. If not, I'm just going to have to drill them out, but I'm a bit concerned that even if I drill the heads of these, that the screws will still be attached to the bracket at the back, so I still wouldn't be able to get this out unless I drill all the way through. Let's see what happens. So as you can see, I've got two, I think they're about 14mm nuts. So they were pushed up against the wall, and then I filled the hole with weld straight onto the screw, and then onto the outside or the inside of the nuts. If this doesn't work, nothing will, and they're getting drilled. So let's see if it works. I think I've let it cool long enough. I really need this to work today. It's just slowing me down. Is it turning or is it braking? It's braking. Bollocks. Try the other one. This one's working. Right, I'll try once more with another nut on there, since that obviously works. Right, here we go again. I'm going to try giving it a quick bang rather than the slow twist. Didn't work. Mother of Hubbard. Right, one more try. Right, third time lucky. Doing a wee bit of coaxing back and forward. I'm getting the drill. Come on. Give that a wee tap, see what's happening. not cooperating. I think I need to drill all the way through, which really sucks. I'll get a torch and see what's going on at the back. There's a metal plate behind this that's welded onto the inside. So until I get another 1/8 of an inch of that bolt removed, this will not slide out. Okay, I'll drill it. I'll see you over there on the workbench with it, hopefully. Finally got it out. Now that it's out, I can see that when I wiggle this, I think it's actually snapped. Let's see. Oh, you can't see. Trust me, it's let me put this in here. Obviously it's not connected at the top, which may or may not be more difficult to get the whole thing out. I'll stick it in the vise, see what happens. Right, I've spent enough time on this stupid hinge. I'm not overthinking it. I'm going to chop the top of that off, drill it through the bottom. It needs a new pin, and obviously it will need a bit of a, probably put a wee sleeve in there, so let's just get that done. So I got the hinge pin drilled out eventually. Now these little brass bushings sit in there, which means the diameter of that hole is bigger than the diameter of that hole. I had intended just to clean up that hole there. Obviously they've been elongated over time, but I could get quite a nice fit with this steel rod. I could use that as a pin, however it's too big for that hole without those little bushings. So before I do something stupid, I'm going to stop this video right now and beg for your suggestions and advice, because I don't imagine these bushings are going to be easy to come by. I mean, yes, I could just get a sleeve of the right diameter to go in there, but I don't even know where I would get such a thing. Might get them at Princess Auto, but they're only doing curbside pickup, so it's really difficult to go in and browse, and well, you're not allowed in, so you can't browse for the right one to try them all out. I mean, it's super fine diameter, or thickness, if you know what I mean. So right, give me your suggestions for a relatively quick fix for this. I suppose I could drill these out to the same diameter as that and find a slightly thicker bit of steel rod, but I don't know if I've got that. Or I could make one out of a bolt. Hey, I'm coming up with suggestions myself. I do have a lathe, by the way, albeit I've never really used it. So, answers on a postcard. Speak to you soon. Bye.